Today on Bitter-Swede Garage, we're gonna get back to work on Troy's 70 F-250 here. I'm up on a ladder, but that's because it's a better view. So Troy got all the metal work done, he got it all cleaned up, he masked it off real good. So we're gonna put a 2-part direct-to-metal primer on there. And then while it's in the recoat window, we might as well go ahead and put our truck bed coating that we're gonna put on the bottom. It's a Raptor liner, I believe, from TCP Global, but really great stuff. It's paintable. Here's another shot of Troy's sweet frame and all the work he's done. I don't know if I got a video of it before we took the cab off. And there's Troy, just in time. Looks pretty sweet. And there's our project today. Or here's our smorgasbord of stuff here. Troy got this fancy paint gun from Hobo Freight, as some call it. It's got the 1.7 tip on there, so we can hose on the primer. And I like to use cheap guns, mostly because I'm broke, but also because for primer, it doesn't need to lay down perfect. But eventually this is gonna break, just because it's cheap, but it works great for primer. And then we got the House of Color DTM primer, got a gallon of that, the hardener. I really like this stuff. It's really easy to sand. And you know, it all starts with a good foundation. And then here is our bed liner. I said it's Raptor liner, it's actually custom coat, so forgive me, TCP Global, but really good product. We are not endorsed, although, you know, I wouldn't mind, but really good products. They got a lot of stuff on TCP Global. And yeah, we know our mission. We need to accomplish today. Well, we don't have paint mixing cups, so we're gonna get some of those. But you know, in the meantime, we get to take a little joyride in Troy's new rig. It's pretty sweet. Super Duty, in parentheses, Ford. All right, we got the paint cups. Just look at the paint cups. Nothing else to see here.
Well, this is a really important part of the process. Beef jerky. Also, we need to chop up all the solids that are settled at the bottom of the can. If only we had a paint shaker. Anyway, this works. It just takes a little time.
So we got our primer in here. I just added the hardener. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of reducer to help spray it. But I really like this House of Color direct to metal stuff. It just sands really good. So we just got our hardener in there. We'll add a reducer and we're ready to spray. And that's all there is to it. Time to spray. Ain't nothing left but to do it. Well, we got our primer laid down, so we're gonna let that tack up a little bit, and then we'll shoot on our bed liner. Follow me. All right, so we got the primer on and first coat of the bed liner. We're gonna let that tack up for an hour, and then Troy's gonna finish up, kind of touch it up, do another coat, but turned out pretty slick. It's gonna be real nice. See, there's a couple of light spots, but we'll get those on the second coat. You don't want to go too heavy because then it takes forever to dry. So, well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.